Good day everyone, it is Damien here from Aerotherm, and today I'm going to be showing you how to extract a wetted volume from a simplified CAD geometry of a pipe. So if we look at the edges of our pipe over here, we can see that we have got fillets. In order to extract our volume, we are going to need to start off by simplifying these fillets. So in order to do this, we are going to go to our emergency toolkit button and select the Defeature body symbol. Now we can see that we've got our simple pipe that has been selected, as we can see over here. And then we can see that we've got our fillets button over here that we are going to defeature. So now we can see the parts have been selected where we are going to defeature our fillets. And now we can go and press OK. So now we're going to go and take a look at these defeatured corners. We can see here that it's all just one sharp edge now. This is exactly what we're looking for, and we can now go ahead and look at extracting our internal volume. So to do this, we are going to just simply go and press here, and then we're going to go press Control and then press the second face. We can right click and then we can press Extract Internal Volume. So now we can see our faces that have been selected here in the green of the enclosed body in the red, and we can go and press OK. We can see now that a second piece of CAD has been made. So we've got our simple pipe, which shows the original geometry, and then we've got simple pipe 2, which shows our fluid domain. From here, we can go and just rename our fluid domain as fluid. We can see it typed out over here, and we can delete our original geometry because we no longer need it. Now we want to just quickly do some admin because we can see over here that we've got our CAD, but we have not named any of our faces. So we're just going to open up the fluid and look at our named faces, and we can see here everything says default. So now we are going to rename and create an upstream over here. So we're just going to select rename over there and type in upstream to create an upstream face. And then we can go and do the same downstream and create a downstream outlet face. Perfect, look at that. Now we've got our default, downstream and upstream faces. But we can go and rename our default faces because we don't need it to be named default. We can call it walls instead. Just like that. And now that we've gone and done this, we can go and look at closing our 3D CAD. Opening up the 3D CAD model in the geometry tree, we can see we've got our fluid over there. And we can now go and create a new geometry part out of this. We can just go and press OK. And this will create a new part within the tree. If we open this up, we can see our downstream, upstream, and wall surfaces. And we can then go and view this by pressing New Geometry Scene. And there we go, we can see our brand new geometry over here. And we can see our downstream, our upstream, and our wall faces right over here. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. Thank you very much.